winners a while ago. Let's start right now with Chewy. Okay, Chewy, are you ready? Oh, okay, sorry.
하피. 먹으면 해피해지는 과자라고 생각합니다.
The name is Happy because when you eat this cracker, it will make you happy.
And we're so happy that you made that snack. Thank you so much. Let's go with Taeyong.
Actually, because mine was also happy.
다시 트와이스 해피라고 했습니다.
That's why I changed the name to Twice Happy na lang.
Twice happy. Okay. From happy to twice happy. And we will have said that right? Yes! Of course, twice happy. Happy, twice happy for Shea. Let's ask Tayan.
초코를 너무너무 사랑하기 때문에 초코로 초코 가루 초코 스낵
Since I really love chocolate, I put chocolate powder, chocolate crackers, chocolate everything. So the name is Choco.
Even our translator is so cute. Paul Shi, love you. It's Choco. Okay, Choco. Who wants to get that Choco bucket? Everyone. Everyone. Oh! Not yet, not yet. We'll be relax, relax. Okay, kalma. Okay, kalma. And she understood. Okay, let's ask Ina.
I put a penguin special.
제가 좋아하는 케첩 맛으로 시즈닝을 했습니다.
And for the seasoning, of course, my favorite is ketchup, so I put ketchup seasonings here.
Ooh. Savory. Alright, thank you, Nina. Okay, let's ask, according to Twice a while ago during our press conference, we got the most competitive member. And that's you, Gio. Gio, can you explain to us the name of your snack?
저의 과자 이름은 조스낵이에요. 조스낵.
My cracker's name is Zeus Snake. Zeus.
My name is Jo.
Jo.
지오.
Okay, so
So, 조스낵.
Joe Snack! Joe Snack! Okay, we should remember that, okay? Who wants to get the Joe Snack? Alright. Okay, let's ask the girl who is waving right now, and that's Susan.
어떤 멤버랑 메뉴가 겹쳐버렸어요.
actually, nung una pa na-overlap yung mga recipes ko with other members.
네, 그건 바로 다현 씨네요.
That's Dayo.
Yes, 초코. 네, 초코에 초코파를 저도 좀 뿌렸는데 대신에 제 거의 이름은 오이시 할 수밖에 없는 제가 편하니까 소이씨.
Siguro nagay ko ng chocolate din, ng powder din. And of course, yung collaboration din na Oishi and Sana, kaya Soishi.
뭔가 오이샤였어도 좋았을 것 같아요. 오이샤.
Ikaw na better Oisha. Oisha din.
오이샤.
Even the boss said, how cute! Oh, wish Soishi will accept it. Thank you so much. And now let's ask Momo.
좀 매운맛으로 했습니다.
Ito ay sobrang anghang.
Sobrang anghang. So the name of the snack is
Belly aha.
Super Anghang. It's called Very Anghang. Okay, it's so hot. Okay, thank you so much, Momo. Okay, let's ask.
Actually, kasi I did not know to put the name of the snap. That's why I put my own name.
맞아, 이름이 유정현이에요.
That's why the snack name is Yu Jonghyun.
유정현 스낵입니다.
It's a Yu Jonghyun snack.
We're gonna give you the moment right now to think about if you were to think about the name for snack, what would it be? Just in case.
유정현.
That's our answer. I don't want to change it. Okay. Thank you so much for naming it that way. Appreciate it. Okay. And last but not least, we got Ryan.
Medyo mahaba yung pangalan ng snack ko. Okay lang?
Oh.
이거는 이름이 이거 출시하면 오이시 1위 오와우 여워칩입니다.
Kung nilabas to, magiging first place ang Oishi, oh wow. Yes.
여워치도 왜 뺏었어요? 귀여워. 네, 아주 괜찮습니다. 먹어봤는데 진짜 맛있어요.
Tinry ko, pero sobrang masarap siya.
Oh, okay.
출시해주세요.
Please release us one of your products, please.